What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my new game called Ragdoll Robots. This is going to be the demo version of the game because I'm still working on it, and even right now I don't have very much, but I have enough that I really wanted to show you guys. So yeah, the game is basically where you're this guy and he's supposed to be a robot. Whoops, I think okay, there. He doesn't really look like a robot, but that's what he's supposed to be. Here, I'm trying to make it so you can see him a little better. Alright, so he's supposed to be a robot, and that is the point. The point of the game is basically just to like destroy stuff. So it says whatever you do, just don't destroy anything. And so basically you like went like haywire and you just destroy this little world that I made. So I'm gonna show you the game right now. I watched a different tutorial by a guy called Happy Chuck Programming to make this guy. I mean, I changed him a lot, but to make this guy, so definitely check out his video. It's really good. And yeah, so I've been working for like a few weeks on this game right now. So there's some glass here. Okay, so sometimes it glitches and it doesn't break, but normally it does, and there's like a cool shattering sound. And so yeah, you can move, you can sprint, you can use your arms to pick stuff up. When you go here, I have a trigger, so then you can go, and then once you do that, then there is a door over here that opens, and I put RR for Ragdoll Robots, and you can just like break the glass on the doors. That time it broke. So yeah, so I wanted to show you guys this because I'm gonna try to finish it and actually like put it on like Crazy Games or something. And so I was trying to think of a video idea, so I thought I would do this. So as you can see, you can pick stuff up, which I think is pretty cool. It's fun. You can like throw it and stuff. I might even try to make this game online also. So yeah. The only other building that I've made so far is this place over here, which is the fancy TV store, and I like to go in the exit because it's way easier. Okay, so yeah, there's still some glitches in the game. It's not done. The only way to get out of this for some reason is if you just spin around a lot like crazy, and then usually you'll get out. I didn't though, so I'm just gonna have to restart it. But so yeah, I made it with Unity, as you can see. So in the TV store, what all there is just like, oh, there, that time it worked. Oh, my computer's getting really slow because it's also recording. But yeah, the glass has physics. The glass doesn't work on the TV store for some reason, but okay, so it didn't work again. So I really want to show you this, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the TV store and just go ahead and take out the glass just for now. But I will have that fixed. I will have that fixed by the time that this game is finished. Alright, so now it should work, and I can show you the store. So yeah, so you just go into the store, and then I put a bunch of TVs. Oh, only one of the glass went away. Or wait, they're both still here? Okay, sorry guys. The glass is still here. I'm just gonna try to break it again. Okay. Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna do it this way and make sure that I get the right glass. Oh, that was in this, so these glass. Oh, this is part of the um, TVs, I think. So there. Now I can try it just one more time. And I'm really sorry, guys. I didn't think that would happen, but I think it's okay now. And I just noticed that the roof on the TV store is not centered. But, so now you can go in and you can just break the TVs. So, you can just smash them and they break. The glass is kind of, um, not working that well on the TVs right now, but, and also I'm stuck behind them somehow. But yeah, so there's definitely some more work that needs to be done on this game, but yeah, it's pretty fun right now, I think. And yeah, and before I end this video, this is going to be a pretty short video. I'm just going to show you guys this because I thought you might want to see it because I'm going to be trying to finish it. I wanted to show you guys how it works a bit more because I make tutorials. So I'm not going to show you how to make it. I'm just going to show you more of how I made it. So this guy, it took me a really long time to make him. It was nothing like the guys in the tutorials. It didn't work the same way. There was a lot of problems and I had to change a lot of stuff. So yeah, this whole game has taken me a long time, but I'm pretty proud of it because I have tried to make a lot of games in the past, and the only ones I've really made are on Scratch, and I can never finish one, and I always run into some giant problem. But in this one, I did have a lot of problems, but I really wanted to make a Ragdoll sort of game, and so eventually I did, and so it's really cool. So here is all the objects. The player has so many joints and stuff. The animations actually work. They are pretty cool because, like, as you can see, when it's getting animated, it's not like perfect animation. Like, it's so like it's like it like adjusts to like how the ragdoll is moving. And that was really a really smart way to do it because so this is the target animation model, and if you know what Unity is, you might know about configurable joints, and that's what I use to connect these. And so what it does is it looks at so this is just the same as the player, it's just invisible, and it's just doing the animation. So I can show you the idle animation here. The walk animation I can show you. So I had to make the arms go into it for some reason because it was like going backwards for some reason. So the only way to make the arms go out was to make them go into the animation guy's body. So it didn't make any sense, but so yeah, and that one does it perfectly, and this one, the target rotation is like, it just tries to rotate, but there's only a certain amount of force. So if there's like, if it has momentum, then like going sideways, then it might not be able to like move forward as much, which makes it look a lot more real, and it makes it look really cool. So yeah, I can show you some of the scripts here. This one I didn't really use this one, or this one is, yeah, see, it's setting the configurable joints here. This one, okay, I'm just gonna go to the movement. This is the movement here. So there's a lot of setting the bools and stuff, but it's pretty simple scripts overall. But it did take a lot longer than it looks. It looks like a pretty small script, but it took me a long time. And so yeah, and I will of course put a link to Happy Chick Programming's channel, so you can go if you want to make this Ragdoll guy, because it's really cool. And so yeah, there's a ramp up to the roof, and I'm gonna add a lot more stuff to this game though. So I might make another video. I've seen how a lot of YouTubers do like devlogs, and it's a little too late for me to make a devlog on this game, but I could start making like later devlogs and showing you just some more stuff. Once the game's done, I'll show you all the stuff you can do, and I'll like do a run through of the game. But yeah, that's pretty much the game right now. I have spent a lot of time on it. There's all of these objects, and it was pretty hard to make. And so, yeah, but there's going to be a lot more stuff. This whole big place is going to be filled up a lot, I think. I might even make it online, and that would be really cool. I could even play it online with you guys, so that'd be cool. And yeah, so I might do, if I make it online, I might do a live stream, and then you guys can join the game, and I could play it with you guys. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. But it is, so yeah, this is my game. It's called Ragdoll Robots. I'm gonna put it on Crazy Games if I can. So yeah. If you have any questions about the game, comment down below and I will tell you more about it. And I will be trying to make another video once I add more stuff that tells some more stuff about it. And if you guys are interested, make sure to like this video. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm sorry that this was a short video. I know you guys really like the Scratch videos, so I will try to make another Scratch tutorial. I am running out of ideas for Scratch tutorials. The reason why I stopped Scratch, you guys were all really nice on Scratch, so thank you. I stopped Scratch because it was getting too easy, and I felt like I'd already like done everything on Scratch. I made like some really hard stuff, so I wanted to start doing harder stuff. So, but I don't know. Maybe one day I'll make another Scratch project. But right now, I'm really committed to this game. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be about this. So yeah.